Hello everyone, and welcome to another video with Special Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be discussing the third problem from the Special Maths Contest, first edition 2024. So let's look at this problem. So it says, how many other triples x1, x2, x3 of positive odd integers satisfy x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 11? So there are a lot of problems that look like this, and usually they're asking for positive integers or non-negative integers. But in this case, we have this condition of the integers being odd. So we can do some sort of transformation so that we don't have to account for this when we are doing accounting. Okay, so we can replace x1 with 2k1 minus 1. Can replace x2 with 2k2 minus 1. And we can replace x3 with 2k3 minus 1. Okay, now this equation of x1 plus x2, okay, now, plus x3 equals to 11. So this then is equivalent to 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1 plus 2k3 minus 1 being equal to 11. Okay, so we can add 3 to both sides and we can factor out 2 from this. So basically we have 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3 equal to, so 11 plus 3, that'll be 14. Okay. And then we can divide through by 2. So eventually we have k1 plus k2 plus k3 being equal to 7. And we're working with, so we want k1, k2, and k3 to be uh, positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So one good way of interpreting this problem at this point is to, so you can suppose you have 7 balls. So 1, 2, 3, yeah, 7 identical balls. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I want to pick maybe 2 spaces. Okay. So there are 6 spaces. I want to pick 2 spaces. So when you pick 2 spaces, it interprets it as a sum. So for instance, if I pick the first space and the fourth space, this is equivalent to having 1 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so this is how we encode the possibility of 1 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so every combination of picking 2 spaces is equivalent to some solution to this equation, k1 plus k2 plus k3 being equal to 7. So for k1, k2, k3 being positive integers, so recall positive integers, so it means we don't want something like 0. So that's why the spaces have to be different. Okay, so we can't pick a space twice. Okay. So what do we have here? We have 6 spaces and we want to select 2. So 6 spaces, select 2. Okay, so this is a common task in combination and permutation. So this is going to be 6 combination 2. So in some places, you write the 6 combination 2 like this. So this is going to be 6 factorial over 4 factorial, 2 factorial. Is just 6 times 5 all over 2 times 1. So this is equal to 15. 15. And this is the final answer. So this is option C. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the problem. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And please leave a comment letting us know what you expect from us in future videos. That'll be all for this video. And see you on Friday, 19th of September. Goodbye, everyone.